Hey guys, this is Madhav and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a few choices or decisions that must be made by those who are going to appear for the November 21 exams. So I'm also going to talk about a few other points that I thought I'd like to share as a part of your preparation journey in the next 3 months. So let's get started. There are three major choices that I think you must make right now before 3 months that you have to go. Number one is on the number of groups that you want to attempt. Number two is the coverage of the syllabus that you expect to do. Number three is the number of times you want to revise the entire syllabus. So first thing is the number of groups that you want to attempt. You can either write one group. If you're going to write one group, then you have to decide which of the two groups, like first or the second, or you can write both groups. But then that has to depend on your level of preparation and not based on what your friend does. Because there are some people who'll be like, your friend is going to write one group, or there's another friend who's going to write both groups, or there's another friend who's only probably trying to aim for a rank. None of it matters. All what matters is your level of preparation, and you know it the best for yourself. So please understand on which level of preparation are you at right now. So some of you might have finished your classes already. Some of you might have finished your classes and also studied at least once. Some of you might have finished your classes, studied once, and also probably revising right now. So all of that depends on where you stand and you know it yourself. So based on that, decide on whether you want to write one group or both groups, because this is going to set the base right for the coming 3 months of your preparation for your exams. Next is the choice on the syllabus coverage. So you cannot try to cover 100% of syllabus. Well, that is not mandatory or not possible always. So then what should you do? Should you omit a lot of chapters? Should you just skip chapters? That is also not advisable. So in that case, pick out the marking scheme or the guidelines that is given by ICAI, and in terms of the split up of the syllabus wise or chapter wise weightage or concepts wise weightage is available in the BOS portal, knowledge portal, or your ICAS website. And then within that, check out what chapters you know well and which ones you don't. So that kind of a base work that you have to do and plan things well in such a way that you can cover most of the syllabus, if not 100%. Let's say you cover 80 to 90% of the syllabus, but make sure you cover that and understand it to the 100% in the fullest extent possible. Third is the number of times you want to revise. Well, this is pretty interlinked with that of the previous one, on the syllabus coverage that you want to do. So if you're planning to cover the entire syllabus, then it's probably not very apt for you to try and do multiple revisions because you don't have much time in hand right now. However, if you're planning to cover much lesser syllabus, or you're planning to use another reference book, if not the study material, then you can save up on some time and try to do more revisions. And then there are some other allied things that I thought I'd talk about. That one of it is the choice of book. So you can study from the institute study material or from some other external source, some other author's books, or also the past past papers, RTPs, MTPs, everything is available. But then you need to decide which ones you're going to stick to, because trying to do all of it is just going to end you up in a mess. So it's preferable to always have a compiler or a one-stop solution. There are compilers of different authors that are available. Pick on the best one and see what suits you the most and just use that. If not, you prepare some own notes of your own self and you can study and revise from that, at least in the last minute. Things like that help. So you need to decide what you want to do as a matter of fact, but it's very important to stick to just one book or two maximum, and not to just hustle around and just go around in every book and then try to do as much as you can, because you'll just not end up achieving much by that. And then the other thing is to start doing your planning, which needs to be a short-term plan and a long-term plan. So the short-term plans are to be the goals that you need to set on a day-to-day basis, like you do it day-to-day things to do as an agenda that you plan about, or a weekly plan that you want to set as a target and want to complete certain chapters or concepts by then. Or then comes the long-term, monthly, or the entire 3 months together. You can plan out such a way that it's a long-term plan. And that is something you need to definitely do, because that really helps in setting your pace right and keeps you working faster and harder towards your goal. And then the other thing is to set a routine. So to fix a routine is very, very essential. It needs to have a proper sleeping pattern, a proper eating pattern. It's like having a balanced diet and proper mix of everything in the right proportion. Likewise, your physical exercise, your study time, number of breaks, the sleeping, then the eating, and all of that comes in there. So plan it accordingly, and then make sure your body gets attuned to the routine right from now, so that you get better and better day by day, and you can start clocking more hours of preparation and studying, and you can sit together in one place, gather yourself, and stay more focused and concentrated. That will really help you in preparing for exams that are about to come. So these are just a few things that I thought I'll quickly tell you people, and you can reach out to me in any of my social media handles for any help. I'll be trying my best to make more videos that'll be of some help to you before your November 21 exams for your preparation. Till then, stay tuned to the channel and keep preparing well. All the very best, guys. See you in the next video.